PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Anker again. What we have today is a pair of Bluetooth headphones. These are in-ear headphones, or earphones if you'd rather. And we're going to take a look inside, we're going to see what's in there, then you're going to go to the website, as usual, at plcnetwork.net and see what we have to say about it. So, let's get to the unopening of the box. And we're going to put this to the side right over here once I get it closed. There's the fancy box. Inside, you have a ton of stuff. Let's see. Something looks familiar here, based on something we've covered recently. You have pretty much all you need for a pair of in-ear headphones. You have your headphones, a bag, some ear tips, USB cable, user manual, and a little card that says sad face. It's not really a sad face, it's a little rainy cloud. It says not happy. Here's how to contact us and let us know. So that way we can help you. Not us, but them, Anker. So, instructions for the headphones. They're actually pretty, there's a lot of text in here, but you got multiple different languages to work with here. And pretty much, you can tell this is being shipped around the world with the same instruction booklet. The USB cable is pretty small, so it's going to be dangling off the side of your computer if you're using your computer to recharge these, or in a wall outlet of sorts. If you plug it into the wall, it's going to be dangling. You get about maybe 5 inches out of that guy. No big deal, but just consider that. They're going to be dangling around all over the place. If you want to lay it flat against something, charge it using a laptop. It does not come with a wall adapter, so you'll have to use one. In this one, you have, looks like multiple ear hooks. You got 2 sizes of ear hooks, which means they probably already have one installed on the headphones themselves, which we'll look at momentarily. We have, we got a little clip for your shirt, and we have this little cap thing. Looks like the 2 stereo cables, they just kind of slide, or the cable going between the 2 headphones at least, they slide into these 2 slots, and this can slide up and down, kind of like a bowline tie. Is that what those are called? Those old bowline ties? You can get it tight to your neck if you so wish. And in this one, we have some tips. Let's see, you got 3 different sizes of tips. You got small, medium, and large. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the headphones. Now this is, I was saying this looks similar. We covered a pair of in-ear Bluetooth headphones from Biodynamic recently, and they had exactly the same kind of case. It pops open, there's a little metal thing in there, you pinch it from the top, or from the sides, excuse me, it opens up and you pull them out of the top. And Biodynamics is a little bit harder to get open. This one opens up with ease. But I like their case better. This one just kind of felt. But it works. These are your headphones. These are the Anker Bluetooth headphones. They're actually called, make sure I don't murder it, the SoundBuds Slim. SoundBuds Slim. That is the specific model that we're looking at today. And looks like they have little plastic covers. That's nice. So the very backs of them, they got Anker logos, so they got the little plastic, you know, to protect it from scratches during shipping. But you have your left and your right. It is notated. Let's see, where is it notated? It isn't notated. Well, I guess you're just going to have to go by the ear hooks. That's actually fantastic. There is no left or right. Usually, typically, in a lot of these headphones, the inline remote is located in the right one. So let's see. Yep, that is the right ear. So there you have it. The right earbud is the location that the inline remote is closest to. Surprisingly, maybe behind the ear hook, so it'll say something here, but it doesn't look like it. So we'll have to wait and you check it out on our review and see if our authors find anything different from what I'm seeing. But it looks like a basic pair of Bluetooth headphones. You got your inline remote, as I mentioned. You have your 3 buttons. You have your next and previous, volume up, volume down. It's kind of a mixed trade between the 2 buttons, and then you have the middle button in the middle that's pause, play, and so forth, answering phone calls. You have a little slot right here in the back that has a micro USB port, and that's so you can charge the headphones with. And as mentioned, they probably were going to have these on there, and they do. You have the 2 ear hooks and 2 buds here. The buds look like a size between the small and medium, so it looks like you have 4 different sizes of tips. You have small, kind of larger than small, medium size, and large, and 3 types of ear hooks to customize from. These look like mediums. You got small, medium, and large. So you definitely have customization available to you to get them to fit your ears just right. You want it to be tight. You want it to be really tight, but not too tight. You don't want it to be uncomfortable, but you want to be able to seal in that bass. And then finally, they do have, this is popular amongst newer Bluetooth headphones, they do have the magnet in the back so that it will connect, so that way when it's hanging around your neck, you know, as you're jogging or something like that, they're not going to go flying off your neck. The magnet should be able to hold it, right? Is it working? It's not too strong, but I'm sure it will be more effective than no magnet at all. So there it is. These are the SoundBuds Slim. It's here somewhere. Yep, SoundBuds Slim. And these are from Anker, A-N-K-E-R. Go check them out and check out our website again at POCnetwork.net, where we'll tell you what we like about them. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.